Hi everyone! So first of all, sorry for not posting any videos for such a long time. That's mainly because I had to make some decisions in my personal life, and this video is a little bit more personal. I tried to make it as quick as possible, but basically I have been working in the same company for almost 8 years. I came to the company when I was only 19, and recently I got really bored of my life, of my everyday life. The only things that I did were working and shopping clothes. That's mainly what I did the whole day. So I came to the conclusion that I can't live like this anymore and that I need a little adventure in my life. So I came to the conclusion that I want to go to Japan for 1 year. I will do a working holiday. Now, I have always wanted to go overseas and work in another country, but I never really dared. I was always so scared that it might not work out. But now I'm getting older and I have the feeling that I'm kind of wasting my youth. And since I could think I have loved Japan, I'm really interested in Korea lately too. I have been there 2 times, but I don't know, Japan has always been deeply in my heart. I have loved Japanese fashion for a really long time, and I really like the culture. I like people's mindsets there, and I know it's gonna be difficult too because the cultural difference is quite big, but I'm really excited to go there and just experience this culture and just get to know new people, be in a different environment, and yeah, just have a little adventure for myself. And also it's really important for me because I have lived for such a long time at my parents' house to be independent and to do this thing for myself, so that I can see that I can do it. And yeah, that's basically it. Also, about making videos, I have the aim to vlog in Japan. I'm not sure yet if I will vlog in German or English, because I realized that in English I just can't articulate myself like I want to. Just as you can tell now, I have to think a lot about my words, so it might be easier for me to do it in German, but I'm not really sure about that yet. I also want to improve my English in Japan, and I will definitely continue making English videos. So I hope you will like my videos in the future, and hope to see you in some of my new videos. I will have a room tour coming up, so stay tuned for that, and see you next time. Bye bye!